We're in the open sea, and hearing about a dangerous encounter that simply need not have happened had collision regulations been followed. Our reporter tells us that a bulk carrier was approaching his ship on his port quarter. This other vessel, as described in our diagram, was not making her intentions clear, though approaching our reporter's ship, called own ship in the drawing, at a fair speed. Best judgment was that the other vessel was positioned to overtake, though since own vessel was the stand-on ship, rules of the road were clear. The other vessel was duty-bound to take avoiding action. VHF contact was established, but despite those rules, the approaching ship stated her intention of overtaking. Sensibly, our reporter's ship took action, increasing speed and opening up a safe distance between the two ships. This pushed her off track by 3 miles, but the action was judged the best and safest way to avoid the trouble caused by poor seamanship on the other vessel.
There's no doubt about it. This was a clear violation of collision regulations, and own ship took the right action. Checking by VHF is not a CHIRP Maritime favourite, as those who follow us will know. On this occasion, we feel it was wholly justified as a way of finding out what the other vessel's intentions were. But it is, of course, wholly unnecessary for such situations to develop, especially in open waters.
Don't forget to follow us on social media. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. CHIRP Maritime, putting the mariner first.